Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and as you can hear, I'm very sick, so today we are going to make an easy veggie soup.
Start by dicing 2 zucchinis, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks with the leaves, 2 medium peeled potatoes, and 1 large onion.
Crying.
You can also freeze the veggie scraps to make zero-waste veggie broth later on.
I have some frozen peas. Is my mic on? Yes. I think I'll add like... Yeah. This is half a cup. Probably like half a cup. Pump up the nutrition in the soup.
Moving over to the stovetop, we're going to drizzle some olive oil over the veggies and fry them over medium heat for a few minutes. Next, I'm adding some garlic. This is a little frozen garlic cube. It's just garlic and oil, but it's really handy when cooking. And we're gonna mix it in. For the spices, I'm adding about half a teaspoon of cinnamon, some freshly cracked black pepper, and about a quarter teaspoon of allspice and 7 spices each, and frying everything together. Oh, right, and don't forget some salt to taste. Pour in about 3 liters of your broth of choice. I'm using chicken broth today, but you can also use water if you don't have any kind of broth on hand. Bring the water up to a boil, then cover and let gently simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes to let the flavors intensify.
Wow! Oh my god! Wow! I'm healed. The flavors are insane. Cannot describe the flavors to you. You have to try it to experience how amazingly good this is. Do you know what I'm gonna add to it? I'm gonna add to it little stars. That's what it needs, because I want to feel like a star. Wow. Wow. How much pasta? To satisfy your heart. That's how much pasta. The seasoning is on point, doesn't need a single thing. I am shooketh by how well I seasoned it. It is done, it is complete. I'm gonna leave the pasta for 5 more minutes because these are really small. They don't need that much time. I'm gonna just leave it until they cook for like 5 extra minutes, and then I'm gonna come back to it and enjoy the healing. If only you can smell the house. If only you can smell the house. It smells divine. My Judo would be so proud of me if he sees this, if he just tastes how good this is. He'd be so proud of me. He always says, if you're sick, make some chicken broth and add some veggies to it and it will heal you. And he's right. I feel the healing. It's funny, every time I'm sick and he knows that I'm sick, he makes me the soup, and it's so cute. And I love my Judo so much, and I miss him. I can't wait to see him again. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to all the Patreons that support me and this channel.
and I'll see you next time.